So here is an exercise to be edited. In each sentence, there is a mistake. The mistake can be based on grammatical errors. So let's see this. A saint walks the streets of Kolkata. So the given answer mistake is walks should be walked, right? But before this, you first read the whole paragraph. With the mistakes, you read it. A saint walks the streets of Kolkata. It can happen only at India. It is time that us realized our strength. We are greater people. We have so much religious leaders. So a saint walked the streets of Kolkata. It can happen only, what's the mistake here? It can happen only in India. Yes. Yes, Arshnoor, Navneet, Ishani, in is correct. Yes, Gaurav, in is correct. So it can happen only in India. It is time that we realized, it is time that us realized our strength. So instead of us, it should be we. It is time that we realize our mistake, that we realized our strength. We are greater people. We have so much religious leaders. We are greater people. What's the mistake here? We are great people. We write greater. Yes, Navnoor, Anshya, Ishani, Gaurav, Prabjot. Yes, you people are all correct. Ritika, yes, Rita. So it should be great. We are great people. There is no comparison. Okay, it's not that we are greater than them. So it is only we are great people. There is no comparison, so we are great people. We have so much religious leaders, so it should be we have many religious leaders. Yes, many. Yes, Ritika is there with correct answer. Ishani is there. Chaitanya is there. Prabjot is there. Yes, yes. So we have so much religious. We have so many religious leaders. So that was correct. So now here is exercise next one. So here in front of you, the exercise is there. You try to solve it first. Then I will ask any student to do it complete. All of you keep your notebooks open, turn on your videos and let me see whether you're writing the answers or not. Some children only take the screenshot that I don't want. Yes, turn on your videos, all of you, and write the answers. Okay. Yes, well done, children. Many of you have already turned on your cameras. Good. Yes. Yes, Arpita, beta, you speak up the answers. Unmute yourself. First, you unmute yourself. I have unmuted. You unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Speak louder.
Ma'am,
Just a minute. Yes, now you speak.
your kids.
Speak the whole sentence. Spending time in your kids. So it should be spending time with your kids.
kids.
Yes, pick up the whole sentence now. Spending time with your kids. Bring immediate.
Spending
Hmm.
bring immediate as well as long.
So it should be brings. Spending time with your kids brings immediate as well as long term gain for the parents. What's the mistake here? Arpita, complete up.
Um, bring immediate.
Yes. Yes.
In your kids, miss.
What will come here? Like brings immediate as well as long term gain for the parents. Is there any mistake in C part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dharya, give the answer. Okay, Arpita, you think about it. Dharya, give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, brings will come.
Hmm.
Spending time with your kids brings immediate as well as long-term gain for the parents. According to a research, children of involved parents are more efficient and get better with the peers.
So what will come in C part? Term gain for parents. Brings was okay. In each line, there is one mistake. So what's the mistake in C line? C part. Term gain for the parents. Bring
Long-term gains for the parents.
long term
Gains.
gains. Very good. So it should be gains, not gain. So spending time with your kids brings immediate as well as long term gains for the parents. Correct. Okay, now Anshia, next one.
According to a research, children of an involved parent.
Yes. According to a research, children of an involved parent. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
In the third sentence, bring long-term gain. Instead of for, two will come, no?
It brings immediate as well as long-term gains for the parents.
Won't to come instead of for?
No, it's okay. But gain should be
Okay,
gains.
ma'am.
Okay, gain is it is like gains should be there. Like just one gain doesn't come. Many gains come.
Okay, ma'am.
So it brings long-term gains for the parents. According to a research, children of an involved parent uh, bring were more efficient. So what will come here? Japji will speak up. Japji, unmute yourself. Don't take so much of time. Unmute yourself. Japji. Okay, Chaitanya, unmute yourself. Chaitanya. Chaitanya, sleeping? Jaya, beta, write down the name of Chaitanya and Japji. Okay, now let me find out those who are giving me the correct answers in chats. Okay, Kanish. Kanish says, Kanish can unmute yourself. Kanish,
Yes,
raise
ma'am.
hand. Kanish, raise hand first. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now speak the answer. Children
मैम
of,
मैम मैम आ रहेगा वर्क की जगह.
speak the full sentence.
Involved parent were more efficient. Involved parent are more efficient.
Say something, say the sentence like this: children of an involved parent were more efficient. So it should be children of an involved parent are more
Is
efficient.
more efficient.
Children, we are using subject verb agreement says, like we are to use the verb as per the subject. So here subject is children. So main part is like children are more efficient. It's not the parent. Children of an involved parent are more efficient. We cannot make it parents because we have been given an involved. An involved parent are. Are is because of children. So children of an involved parent are more efficient and getting better with their peers. What will come here in the F part? Okay, Chapji, speak up.
Ma'am, and get along better with their peers.
Yes, right. So children of an involved parent are more efficient and get along better with their peers. Get along. Japji, why did you unmute yourself earlier? Okay, so now next exercise is there in front of you. So I'm giving you 1 minute. First you solve it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Harry, it was along. A-L-O-N-G. Along. A-L-O-N-G. Yes. In question number 3, there is no mistake. Which question number? In the very first sentence, there is a mistake, beta. I wished to know. What's the mistake here? I wish to know. It should not be wished. I wish to know. Yeah. Yes, Barbie, beta, first write all the answers, then we'll discuss. Yes, some children are very proactive. They are giving very good answers side by side. Gaurav, Barbie, she has solved so many sentences already. Sorry. Okay, now Kirtima will speak up. Roll number 30. Roll number 32, Kirtima. Kirtima, raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, now you speak up.
I'm sorry, I don't know क्या आप पढ़ा रहे हो. मैं अभी join की class.
Okay. So here, Kirtima, we are do the editing job. In the editing exercise, you have to find out one mistake, not one. Like if whatever the mistakes are there, you have to underline the mistakes and their correct answers to be written in the space provided. So you take your time. Let me ask Raghav of 43 roll number. Raghav, 43 roll number.
Yes, Deepa, may I speak?
Raghav, 43. Okay. Gaurav, roll number 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, better give the answers.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am Surbi, I wish to know about the tour program your company offers. Ma'am, second is ma'am. Also, ma'am, also kindly,
Just a
ma'am,
minute.
let me. Yes.
Surbi. Surbi says, I wish. What's the mistake here? Wished instead of wished.
Ma'am,
It should be.
yes, ma'am.
I wish to know
Wish.
about your program your company offers. Okay. Then also kindly let me knows the amount what I have to pay. So what's the mistake here?
Ma'am, also kindly let me know. Ma'am, know the amount.
Yes. So also kindly let me know the amount. With let, we always use V1. We always use the first form of verb, not the second or third. Kindly let me know. S or ES also doesn't come with let. Let me know the amount what I have to pay. So what's the mistake in C part?
Ma'am, what I had to pay.
Kindly let me know the amount what I have to pay. Okay, Dharya, give the answer.
Ma'am, also kindly let me know the amount that I have to pay.
Yes, very good. So kindly let me know the amount that I have to pay. Okay, instead of what, it should be that. Kindly let me know the amount that I have to pay. Also, let me know if there was any discount available. So what will come here? Okay, Barbie will give the answer. Barbie.
Let me know if there is any discount available.
Kindly let me know if there is any discount available. Very good. So instead of was, it should be is. Because the whole paragraph is going in present. In the beginning, we said, I wish to know, kindly let me know. So also let me know if there is any discount available. Okay, now Jayant will speak up. Jayant. Okay, Lavanya, speak up. Lavanya. Lavanya is not giving answer. Lavanya. Okay, Gurleen Kaur.
Also, let me know what the mode of payment is.
Yes. Also, yes, mute yourself, unmute, mute yourself. Also, let me know the mode of payment. Also, let me know what the mode of payment is. Okay, so that is correct, Gurleen ji. Also, let me know the mode of payment. Also, let me know what the mode of payment is. Correct. Travel agent says then, I'll certainly if I am also allowed to speak. I will certainly if I am also allowed to speak. So what's the mistake here? Gia, roll number 27. So Gia, you say like instead of allowed, it should be allow. Is it okay, children? And Gaurav says allows. Here there is no mistake, children. Travel agent says, I'll certainly. That is correct. I'll certainly. I'll certainly do whatever you are saying if I am also allowed to speak. Allowed is correct because I am allowed. So it is passive form. In the passive form with am, we use third form. I am allowed, if he is allowed, if you are allowed. We don't say if you are allow, if you are allows. Okay, it is the passive form. In the passive form, present tense takes is MR plus third form of the verb. So if I am also allowed to speak, is that clear? So it is a correct sentence. Will this, who is this 24 number? Japji beta, no, will remain will, no problem about will. Now have you got it that here it is correct that I'll certainly, if I am allowed to speak, this is correct. Is this clear to all of you? Okay. So now let's move to the next sentence. Next exercise, I mean. So here is an exercise. So I'm again giving you 1 minute, do it. Lavanya, are you there now? Lavanya, can I check your exercise? Lavanya, can I check your exercise? Lavanya not attending class. Okay, Tanveen Kaur will unmute herself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, beta. I like it when the child immediately turns on the mic and speaks up. It means that you are very attentively sitting. So kudos to your parents also, those who are attentively sitting. Okay, yes. Who was this child right now? Tanveen Kaur, beta, speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Start doing the editing exercise. First sentence.
Ma'am, in 1868, the British scientist.
A British scientist. Aage. A is correct here. A British scientist.
Instead of A, the is there. Should be there.
Even A is correct. In 1868, a British scientist yes, Japji, Navnoor, Arshdeep.
Ma'am, instead of named.
It should be
Name.
named. In 1868, a British scientist named Sir Norman Lockyer was studying the sun with an instrument called the spectroscope. So in the first line,
instrument.
in the first part, named. So where the space is provided, there you will be writing named, N-A-M-E-D. A is correct because it is a British scientist. There might be so many scientists, but we are talking about the one, a British scientist named Sir Norman Lockyer was studying the sun with an instrument called the spectroscope. So with the instrument, with the vowel sounded words, we use an, right? An instrument called the spectroscope. Okay. Okay, Ansha, yes, speak up the next exercise, Ansha.
A mysterious line appeared in the spectrum he was looking at.
Yes, correct. Very good. A mysterious line appeared in the spectrum he was looking at. Very good. Okay, Arpita will speak the next exercise now. Next, I mean line. Arpita. Remember, children, if you don't know some sentence, doesn't matter. You just speak up first. Yes, ma'am, boliye ekdam. Yes. Arpita, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
D part.
This could only come from a new element which were not.
This could come from a new element which weren't yet known to exist. So what's the mistake here?
It is correct.
It's correct. Who says it is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
May I
Gurupal.
speak?
Okay, Gurupal ji, how is it correct, Gurupal? Let me ask. Chalo, let me ask somebody else. Gurupal, you think about it. Why is it correct? Okay, let's again check Lavanya. Lavanya, yes, speak up. Okay, Nivedita. Nivedita. Okay, Manavit.
Ma'am, this could only come from a new element which wasn't yet known to exist.
Yes, very good. This could come from a new element which wasn't yet known to exist. We are talking about one element. So which wasn't? Element was not. This is actually the point. So this could come only from a new element which wasn't yet known to exist. Right. Okay, now next one, who will speak up? Okay, Dharya, speak.
Ma'am, yet known to, this could only come from a new element which wasn't yet known to exist. The new element was named helium.
Yes.
And the Greek word helios means sun.
Okay, first let's see this E part. The new element was named Named. No? Very good. So the new element was named helium. For the Greek word helios means sun. So Manavit, what's the
And
mistake?
Greek word.
The new element was named helium and the Greek word helios means sun. Okay. Any other thing you think about it, Manavit?
Ma'am, instead of means, it should be meant.
No, means is okay. Even meaning can be there. That would also be okay. But here it would be the new element was named helium, or the Greek word helios means the sun. Okay. And okay, Gaurav also says and. For no, beta, from will not come, Chapji beta. Yeah, Gaurav and Chapji. Okay. Okay, Ritika says I said. Yes. Ritika, even yours is also correct. Okay, so now let's see the next exercise. Which means sun. Okay, now next exercise you can check. You can check your answers also. See this, question number 6. Time is almost over. Just to see and note down the answers. The Chief Minister in Gujarat met the student of SRCC in 6th July in Delhi. He delivered a lecture on the global role of Gujarat economy. His lecture is appreciated by all. So the mistakes are very obvious. What will come? Yes. Very quickly, many children are giving answer of very nice. Some children are very proactive, very good. Okay, Manyavit, speak up the whole exercise instantly within 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. The Chief Minister of Gujarat met this met a student of SRCC on 6th February in Delhi. He delivered a lecture on the global role of Gujarat's economy. His lecture was appreciated by all.
What's the mistake in E part?
The global roles of Gujarat economy.
Is it ROLL is okay?
Global.
It should be
ROLE.
ROLE.
It should be
Yes.
ROL. Okay, children, thank you. It's the time is almost over. Now it's the time for you to attend your next class.